Hey guys, welcome to my channel Joe's Diet Talk. Today video is all about prevent kidney stone by changing your diet. If you have not watched my previous video, that is the habits that damaging your kidney, please do check in the description. Diet for kidney stones plays a crucial role in the treatment and prevention of the condition. What you can eat either promote or prevent the formation of kidney stone in your body. First, let's understand what are kidney stones. Kidney stones contains a hard mass of crystals that are formed in the kidney, uterus, urethra and urinary bladder. Actually, the patient did not swallow the stone, but it is formed inside the body. Unfortunately, the kidney stones are extremely painful and it takes time to get out of the body. The urine contains few products such as calcium, sodium, potassium, uric acid, phosphates and oxalates. If the levels of these compounds become too high or urine becomes too basic or acidic in nature, all these particles can clump together and can crystallize. If the problem is not solved, then these crystals can gradually grow over months and years and form a detectable stone. The common type of stones formed in the kidney are calcium oxalates, calcium phosphates and magnesium. Risk factors. Factors that increases your risk of developing kidney stones include diet rich in protein such as purine, sodium and sugars, excessive weight gain and obesity, digestive diseases and few surgeries, dehydration, medical conditions and medications, some types of urinary tract infections, family history, gender and age. Mainly adults are most affected with kidney stones. So what is the solution for it? Changing in your diet is a natural solution. Making a healthy changes in your diet is often the best and natural solution to dissolve the kidney stones, and it also able to prevent them from reforming in the body. Foods to include water. Hydration is essential to maintain the optimal condition of your kidney. This natural detoxifier has the ability to dissolve kidney stones in natural way. Foods with natural calcium. It may sound contradictory, but believe me, the natural calcium from foods bind with the calcium oxalates. Foods rich in magnesium. Make sure that you get all your magnesium nutrition requirement from your food. The excellent sources of magnesium are green leafy vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits can dissolve and prevent kidney stones. Lemons and other citrus fruits contains properties that can dissolve kidney stones naturally. Other anti-kidney stone fruits are those which are rich in water-soluble fiber such as apples and watermelons. Fresh foods that promote healthy kidney functions include banana, leafy greens, sprouted legumes, fish, poultry and sprouted grains are really very good for kidneys. Foods rich in vitamin E, such as berries, almonds, olive oil, avocados are the best source of vitamin E. Don't forget them to include in your diet. Alkaline foods. Foods that are acidic in nature and helps to balance the pH level, like apple cider vinegar or lime. They can help the body pass kidney stones. Magnesium and potassium rich foods. Include lots of leafy green veggies, lemons, melons, bananas, cruciferous vegetables and avocados in your diet. Sprouted grains. Sprouted grains reduces the anti-nutrient content, making the nutrient more digestible. Foods to avoid. Sugary foods. Limit the amount of packed sugary snacks you eat. Sweetened drinks, dairy and even fruit if it seems to worsen your symptoms. Processed meats and cold cuts. Processed meat can cause the body to excrete calcium, which means more it is sent to the kidneys where it can build up and form stones. Caffeine and alcohol. Both are dehydrating and can be difficult to digest, which can make kidney stones worse. Kidney diet secrets. Here are the quick diet review. Increase the intake of water. Minimum requirement is 3 liters of water per day. Include barley water, coconut water, fruits and vegetables, and high fiber rich diet. Limit the salt intake. Take only 2.5 grams per day. Limit foods which is rich in oxalates, purine content. Limit animal food sources. Avoid soft drinks and colas. Set up your kidney stone diet plan according to the type of kidney stone you have with your dietitian. Kidney stone diet activates your body's natural healing ability. This treatment is the safest and most often effective that can save your body and your pocket from high-cost drug-based kidney treatments. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.